Alright, what's up guys? Justin with California Grenadiers again. Just a quick little follow-up video of the DVA Mechanics L track. So this here is the Van Essentials that I had put on about 2 years ago now. I had to drill holes to make them line up correctly. So then there's extra holes, as you can see. Extra holes because Ineos kind of offset the holes, maybe, I think, to keep it proprietary, so that you have to buy their rails. But I knew eventually somebody was going to come out with some rails that would fit perfectly. But in the meantime, I bought a bunch of the Van Essentials stuff, drilled some holes, cut to size, got it in there. But as you can see, it faded to green, a little bit of a bronzish yellow tinge also in the sunlight, which is fine if you don't mind that kind of thing, but a little bit annoying for someone like me with OCD. I know a lot of us have levels of OCD, so this might bother some of you. So do some of the empty holes that aren't being used. That's a little annoying. And then it not fitting perfectly over here without having to buy an excessive amount of L-track and then cutting it down. I did cut this down, you know, it works fine, perfectly fine, plenty strong, gets the job done. As you can see, I've got the DVA Mechanics accessory straps mounted there to mount the rotopacks. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of what bad anodization looks like. You know, a lot of this stuff is made for the inside of vans and things that don't see a lot of weather, maybe. So can't necessarily fault them for cutting corners on anodization or powder coat or paint or whatever finishing options they offer, you know. But if you're going to use it outside, it's going to fade. So side-by-side comparison, you can see how black that is, how black this is, how green that is. This is DVA Mechanics product. This is a DVA Mechanics product. The black is the same. These have been on for about, I want to say 3-4 months maybe, and they haven't faded. These faded to green in about 2 months. So, you know, they used a quality anodization process so it wouldn't fade specifically. Now over here you can see this is a square stock, whereas this is a round stock. I mean, you could get this in square stock. I don't know why I chose round stock. I think I was just worried about trying to make it fit. But this is square, fits perfectly just like the factory, fits the shroud, it's nice and flush. Holes match, you can see that they're offset. This is separated by 2 holes. These are separated by 3 holes. So you can tell they kind of did that on purpose. Or they were just trying to make it fit. But in any case, holes line up, good quality finish on there. Even came with the black coated hardware, so you can just get it all set up perfectly. And then down here, same thing. Looks pretty damn factory, OEM, but nice quality. Nice round edges. My other ones were okay. They were a little small. These are nice and big. Give it a nice rugged look and a little bit more substantial space to grip on. The L-track accessories. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys the side-by-side comparison. In the front, I haven't changed the front yet, but you can just see how that black just fades into the car, whereas that, it's like, oh, yeah. And then down here you can tell the size of the smaller L-track pieces that I used from Van Essentials. Those didn't fade as badly, but they did. And they look okay, you know, they're a little more low profile, sleek, I guess, but this is what it should look like. You know, DIY, maybe 120 bucks. Buy it from the factory, maybe 800 bucks, I believe. Buy it from DVA Mechanics, probably a little better quality material, 500 bucks. So, you know, not knocking the factory stuff, it's great. Not really knocking the, you know, the Van Essential stuff or other kind of like generic L-track stuff, because it's just L-track. It's just doing a job, right? But if you care about aesthetics and quality finish and quality fit and finish, this is the way to go. Save yourself 300 bucks if you're ordering the car, or if you've already got the car. You know, instead of buying the factory pieces from the dealer, you get this stuff and you just saved yourself 300 bucks, and you can throw that at another different upgrade. So check out DVA Mechanics. Let me know what you guys think of this product, what you guys are running, if you guys have jerry-rigged anything like me and have grown tired of it and are going with a more OEM appearance or factory quality piece. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.